We got Mitchell's tanning up here in the shop today.
We're just gonna put a pro charger on it.
Gotta hit up this, man. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here with my boy Jose. We are gonna try to take the boat out. We're out in Lakeland. So everything's fixed on the boat. We're gonna drop it in over here. Hopefully we're not gonna die this time, but I fixed everything on it, so it should be good to go. Wish us luck. So we're gonna drop this thing in there. Let's get to it. All right, so we out here on the boat. We got this thing working. Everything's good so far. Got Jose chilling with us. He's gonna film.
It looks good.
Yeah, film. So that was a good first test. Everything passed. The boat's not leaking, and I don't know, it's pretty fun. There's some lightning coming, so we're gonna get out of here, but everything went pretty good so far. Jose went to get the trailer, then we're gonna load this thing up and get out of here. So let's get to it. All right, so we got this thing out of the water and on the trailer. We're gonna start it, clear out the water out of the motor real quick. Gonna start. The battery's dead.
Damn.
Shit. All right, so
Jump.
yeah, can we jump it real quick?
Yeah, we can jump.
All right, hold on. So we're gonna hook this battery jump box up. It's in there. All right. The trusty jump box.
Battery's far. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I don't know why they put it so far down there. That's crazy a little bit.
You should be good.
Alright, hold on a second. I'll probably get out of there.
Let's see if she turns on. Try it now.
Alright, well, that didn't work, but this thing does have a trickle charger that I can plug in to an extension cord. Once we get back to his house, and then I can blow the water out and all that. But overall, we just took it out for 20-30 minutes just to give it a basic run. I don't know, I thought it was pretty fun.
No, it was good. I actually ran pretty well. It went out and we thought it was gonna leak some water, but it didn't.
Yeah. When we had it on like the angle, like dropping it into the water, I guess just the angle of the boat dropping it in was making it put a little water in it, but ends up it's totally normal, and everything was good.
All for the next round next time.
Yeah, it was definitely fun, but we're gonna get this all cleaned up and head back to his house. Probably try this again in the river over by my house, now that we're pretty confident that this thing's not gonna sink and we're not gonna die. Let's get to it. so we made it back over to Jose's house. We're gonna plug this boat in, try to start it. Look who it is. Hey. Oh, so she makes all these crazy, what are they called? Crochet dolls. So we'll go in there in a minute and I'll show you guys all about all that stuff. It's pretty cool. We're probably gonna get one of the stitch ones, so maybe another one. I don't know, but we're gonna let this thing charge up here because apparently the battery is completely dead. We'll let this thing charge up for a few minutes and then I'm gonna start it, blow out all the water, and should be good to go. You like the boat?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Go ahead, talk to me.
Say hey.
Say I like the boat.
You like the boat?
Like as if you're talking to me, Ma. Go ahead, say I like the boat.
You like the boat?
With some confidence. Go ahead, it's okay. You don't have to cover.
All right, she's a little shy, but we're gonna let this thing charge for a minute, clear out all the water. Should be good to go. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so check this out. This girl makes all these crochet dolls, which are really cool. And she can make them especially for you. Look at this one, Freddy. I like the Jason one. It was pretty cool. So tell us about all this.
So I crochet all of these things and it takes me anywhere from 5 to 10 hours to make, sometimes 20, but you can check me out on Instagram at glamacrylics_ or check out my website glamacrylicscrocheting.com.
You heard it there. These things are pretty cool. How long have you been making these?
I've been doing it for 3 years now, I think. 3 going on 4, but consistently 1.5 years with my daughter.
Yeah, they're pretty cool.
Thanks.
Yeah, so be sure to check her out. I'll leave all the link in the description below and all that. So I'm probably gonna buy one of these. My daughter really wants this one, the stitch one. But I'll probably get that for my daughter, and I'll probably get that Jason one. So we made it back with the boat from Lakeland. We are going to put this thing up, probably spray it off first, and store it for the night, and that'll be that. All right, guys, that's it for this episode. We did have an issue with the battery, so I put it on the trickle charger for the night. I'm gonna test it tomorrow, make sure the battery holds a charge. But it was fun going out to Lakeland. We had a great time with Jose and his family. It was pretty cool. We did not die. The boat didn't sink. Everything worked perfect. And I don't know, it's pretty fun. I look forward to taking it out again. That's it for this episode. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.